If you can do one pull-up, you can do a back lever. What? You're probably thinking I'm insane, but by the end of this video, I'm going to prove it to you. Here's what we're going to do. I'll show you the exact 9 steps that take you from a basic pull-up to floating horizontally in the air. Each step unlocks the next one. Skip one, you'll fail. Follow them in order, you'll get there. We'll start with something you can already do. Then I'll show you skin the cat, tucked holds, straddle movements, and finally that full back lever that looks impossible right now. So grab a pull-up bar if you've got one, because we're about to turn your one pull-up into something that'll blow people's minds. I'm pretty sure you can do a pull-up. Let me show you the exact grip we'll use for everything. Grab the bar with your hands slightly closer than shoulder width apart. This is the grip width we'll stick with for every single step. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Lower back down with control. Keep your body straight. No swinging or kipping. Your goal is 10 clean pull-ups, not 10 ugly ones where you're flailing around. 10 solid reps where you own the movement. Once you can hit 10 pull-ups, boom, you're ready for skin the cat. Now for skin the cat. Don't ask me why it's called skin the cat. I didn't name it. This is where things get interesting. Hang from the bar with that same grip. Keep your arms completely straight and bring your knees to your chest in a tight tuck. Roll backwards through your arms until you're on the other side. Then roll back to the starting position. Your body stays tucked the entire time. Arms stay straight. Think of it like doing a backwards somersault while hanging from a bar. Fair warning, your shoulders are going to feel this in ways you didn't know were possible. Welcome to calisthenics, where everything has a cute name but wants to destroy you. Your goal is 5 smooth reps up and back down without any jerky movements. Don't worry if you can only do part of the movement at first. That still counts as progress. Nailed 5 smooth skin the cats. Time for your first back lever hold, the tucked back lever. Get into that tucked position from skin the cat, but now you're going to hold it. Your knees are tucked to your chest, arms straight, and you're hanging horizontally under the bar. This is your first taste of defying gravity. Keep your core locked tight. Don't let your hips drop. Your body should form a tight ball hanging under the bar. And yeah, your elbows are going to feel like they're on fire the first few times you try this. This is totally normal. If it doesn't hurt, you're probably doing it wrong. Your goal is a 15 to 20 second hold. Trust me, 15 seconds is going to feel like forever. Your lats and core are going to hate you. Once you've got that hold down, we're moving on to straddle leg movements. What? From your tucked back lever position, slowly open your legs into a wide straddle like you're doing. The splits in the air. Hold for a moment, then close your legs back to the tuck position. That's 1 rep. The key is control. Open slowly, close slowly. Your core has to work overtime to keep you stable while your legs are moving around. Your goal is 8 smooth transitions. Open and close without losing your horizontal position or dropping your hips. Nail your 8 and you're ready for the advanced tuck position. The advanced tuck is like the regular tuck, but your body is straighter. Instead of pulling your knees all the way to your chest, keep them closer to 90 degrees. Your core has to work harder because you're longer and less compact. Keep your core engaged and flexible. This position requires both strength and mobility. Your abs are going to cramp up if you're not used to this kind of isometric torture. Quick thing. If you're wondering why these holds feel impossible some days and manageable others, it's probably your sleep. All this muscle adaptation happens during deep sleep, not during training. That's why this video is sponsored by Manta Sleep. Complete blackout, 0 eye pressure, actually stays on. I've tried every sleep mask out there, and most either slip off or dig into your face like they're angry at you. This one's different. Better sleep, faster progression through these brutal holds. Now, about that advanced tuck position, your goal is a 10 to 15 second hold. This is way harder than the basic tuck because you're fighting more leverage. Once you can hold this, we move to straddle negatives. Start in your tuck position, then slowly extend your legs into a wide straddle. But here's the key. Lower yourself as slowly as possible into the straddle back lever position. Take 5+ seconds to get there. Once you reach the bottom, drop back to the tuck or come down completely. Keep your body straight. Engage your core like your life depends on it. Fight every inch of the way down. Your goal is 6 slow negatives. Each one should take at least 5 seconds to lower. Get those 6. And it's time to hold that straddle back lever. Now you hold the straddle position. Legs wide, body straight and horizontal, arms locked out. This is where most people realize how brutal back levers really are. Your entire posterior chain is working to keep you horizontal. Don't let your hips sag or your shoulders roll forward. Your lats are going to be screaming at you to quit. Your goal is a 10-second hold. Just 10 seconds of pure horizontal torture. Pull off that 10-second hold, and you're ready for full back lever negatives. The final test before the real thing. Start in your straddle position, then slowly bring your legs together into a straight line. Lower as slowly as possible into the full back lever position. Body completely straight and horizontal. This is the hardest negative you've done. You're controlling your entire body through the most challenging position possible. Your goal is 5 controlled negatives. Each one should be a slow leap. Rate descent into the full position. Complete all 5 and you're ready for the moment. You've been working toward the full back lever. This is it. From your hanging position, get into the full back lever. Body completely straight and horizontal. Legs together, arms locked out. You're basically lying in the air under the bar. Every muscle in your body is working. Your lats are pulling. Your core is bracing. Your glutes are firing. You're defying gravity with pure strength. The technique is the same as all your negatives, but now you hold the position instead of just passing through it. If you've mastered every previous step, now you can go full banana and hold that impossible-looking position. You've built every piece of strength and body awareness you need. That first hold might only last a second or two, and that's perfect. You've just unlocked one of the most impressive bodyweight moves there is. See, from one pull-up to back lever, every step builds the next one. Every exercise teaches your body something new. You don't need to be superhuman. You just need to know which moves come in which order and actually put in the work. Skip steps and you'll get stuck. Follow the path and you'll get there. So, where are you right now? Find your level, master it completely. Then move to the next one. That back lever is waiting for you at the end of the path. Now, stop scrolling through comments and go find a pull-up bar. Music. If you can do one pull-up, you can do a back lever. What? Yeah, I know exactly what you're thinking right now. You're probably watching this thinking, this guy has completely lost his mind. And honestly, that reaction makes sense, because the back lever looks like one of those moves reserved for gymnasts, freaks of nature, or people who have been training since they were 6 years old. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to prove to you that it's not magic, it's not genetics, and it's definitely not impossible. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through the exact 9-step progression that takes you from a basic pull-up all the way to floating perfectly horizontal under a bar. Every single step builds on the one before it. Each step unlocks the next. If you try to jump ahead, you'll fail. If you rush it, you'll stall. But if you follow these steps in order and actually master each one, the back lever becomes inevitable. We're starting with something you can already do. From there, I'll take you through skin the cat, tucked holds, controlled straddle movements, brutal negatives, and finally that full back lever that looks impossible right now. So if you've got access to a pull-up bar, grab it, because we're about to turn one pull-up into a skill that makes people stop and stare. First things first, let's talk about the pull-up. I'm pretty confident you can already do at least one, but how you do it matters. Grab the bar with you. Our hands slightly closer than shoulder width apart. Not wide, not super narrow. This grip stays the same for every single exercise in this progression, so get used to it. From a dead hang, pull yourself up until your chin clearly gets over the bar. No half reps. Then lower yourself back down under full control. No swinging, no kipping, no momentum. Your body stays straight like a plank the entire time. Your goal here isn't just to get tired. Your goal is mastery. You want to work up to 10 clean, controlled pull-ups. Not sloppy reps, not bouncing around like a fish on a hook. 10 reps where you feel in control from the first inch of the pull to the last inch of the descent. Once you can do that, congratulations. You've built the foundation. Now things start getting interesting. Enter skin the cat. And no, I have absolutely no idea why it's called that. Hang from the bar using the same grip. Lock your arms completely straight. From here, bring your knees up tight to your chest and curl into a ball. Now slowly roll backward through your shoulders, letting your body rotate until you're hanging on the other side of the bar. Then reverse it and come back to the start.